Hey, Steve Trimble, and this week's Connected Construction tip actually goes along with the new release of Tekla 2025 and the ability to easily use scan data from there. We've covered how to align scans to a model or coordinate system in FieldLink register and use those section boxes to export. But this is really cool. If I export an E57 or an LAS, I can even do an inspection. I can bring that into, and that's a little preview, into Connect. And a couple of videos before this, we showed you how to turn on this free extension. But once you upload that scan data to Connect, this is what's really cool. You can stream this data, so you don't need your detailers. You can essentially send it from the tablet. It's all been registered, refined, georeferenced to Connect, and then your detailers can come in and actually select the cloud they want to from the scan data or from the Connect project they're in and view it. And the other really cool thing about this, you may notice, is I have a clip box here. So if I go back here, I have a clip box and I can actually use the inspection in Tekla to show me where I'm going to have some issues or I may need to grind back this rock wall. If I click out of it, I can actually come back here and then delete my clip box or not include everything in there or include only reference objects, or I can delete it all the way. So makes it a lot easier when you start working with scan data to essentially start to use it in Tekla, and a lot simpler to do that. So here I can drag that in, just look at that back wall, drag it across, and then once my detail is done, I can finish designing my stairs and then send them to PowerFab with the new connector there to be fabricated. Send that model back out to the field, probably do another scan just to make sure that core hasn't changed and run an inspection there, as well as scan the fabricated stairs in the shop to make sure that they were built as designed. So thanks. This is a quick one, but a lot of really cool details in here. Please reach out to your nearest building point representative if you have any scanning questions, and your Tekla representatives as well, or just leave a comment. We'll try and help you out. But with this new workflow, you can essentially send just about anyone out to collect these field measurements, turn them over to your detailers or your project managers who know the important parts of it, allow them to have access to all those field measurements from wherever they're at, and essentially never forget a field measurement because the scanner will pretty much pick up everything it sees. And you can start producing stairs, handrails, your miscellaneous metals a lot more efficiently, as well as your structural stuff as well too. Thanks.